G'day. This is not one of my normal videos, just a quick little tip that I hope will help someone. The other day we had the roof cleaned, and apparently what's happened is the chemical or the cleaner the guy used with the pressure washer on the roof has of course gone into the rainwater tank, which we've let into the pool to top it up, and you can see the results. You can see the haziness in the pool there. Not good. And as it turns out, the next day we had a pretty bad dust storm go through southeast Queensland. And this is the dust storm happening in Brisbane. Very, very dusty. So my little tip is, if you're going to get your roof pressure cleaned or doing it yourself, make sure you block off the downpipe to the rainwater tank if you have them, because you can see the result. Whether it will filter out, I don't know. But anyway, hopefully that helps you be aware of it. Okay, bye.